we're on our way to Clinton, Tennessee. We're going to stay there one night and visit the Appalachian Museum. We're going to take you guys with us. I-40 West. The last time we tried to come here, it was closed.
It was more than closed. Parts of it were missing.
The last time we tried to come this way was right after Hurricane Helene. The day after, and it was in the wee hours of the morning. We just saw lines of red brake lights from all the tractor trailers pulled off on the side of the road, and we had to turn around. It looked like an apocalyptic scene.
It definitely did. It was scary.
First pit stop. That's a charming rest area. We're here in Rocky Top. We're going to do the Songbird Trail, which is a 2.5 mile trail on the Clinch River, I think you said. It's below the Cove Creek Wildlife Management Area and the Norris Dam State Park. You can already hear a lot of birds. Got to pack a few snacks and head that way. We expected it to be a little bit warmer out this way, so the sun feels nice. It's almost like warm and chilly at the same time right now.
Mm-hmm. The sun is warm, but the air is cold. And it's breezy too.
This is supposed to be a good area for bird watching and for checking out wildflowers. Got a beautiful river off to our left. So you can only keep trout less than 14 inches, but one greater than 20 inches. Every place is a little different. The pretty green color of the creek there. It's very peaceful out here, aside from the sound of that mowing. So we are down here at Hibbs Island. We're at the bottom of the loop now, I think.
So this is like a loop that goes around here. Okay. And then there's more trails over here on this side.
Yeah, because we see people over on that side.
Yeah, I guess you would have to cross this bridge up here.
Fresh cut grass smells nice. The creek has this cool green color because of all the algae or whatever that is growing underneath. Yeah, what is that? It's like an old gauging station or something. Yeah. There's a great blue heron.
Oh, wow. Some nice bigger trees.
Yeah. Well, it's a couple hours till check-in, but we were saying we could always come back here in the evening, but there'd be a lot more birds or maybe frogs.
Yeah, it might be really nice. I don't know if you'd be able to see any kind of sunset, but they don't really have steep mountains around here, so you might be able to see a little bit more of the sky.
Here's something else, maybe an old support for a bridge. Yeah, that cable stretches all the way across to the other side.
Interesting.
I wonder what that was used for.
Definitely old.
If one side was higher, it might be a nice zip line across the river.
I was totally thinking that too. There's a honeysuckle bush. You see it's like a shrub, not like the regular vine. This probably has a more specific name.
It smells really good.
Yes.
Let's see where this takes us.
Look at this tree.
Whoa, that's huge.
Oh my goodness.
Is that a poplar?
Yes. Wow. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, that's a pretty nice one. Wow.
Wow, that's huge. That's several hundred years old, I'm sure.
Nice. At least we can get a closer look at the river now. Haven't seen any turtles yet.
Looks like the water might be a little higher than normal. Look at all the grass on this side.
It's pretty clear, actually. Being in this nest. There's the dam up ahead.
This is pretty. Look at all the green grass.
Yeah. Makes you want to dip your toes.
Yeah, probably could. It looks pretty clean. Parmesan and peppercorn. Teriyaki beef jerky. See how this tastes?
Yeah. That's a great snack. We were just talking about how hard it is to get away from noise sometimes. It seems like the guy on the mower followed us the whole way.
Yes, and all the way back.
We're getting close to getting back to our car now. Then there's some people on the other side of the river using their super outdoor voice.
And then a little boy that was on some sort of motorized car that was really loud.
Like an electric four-wheeler. We're very glad to get out. This is a really nice place. All the bird sounds. But maybe if we come back in the evening, it'll be a little bit more peaceful.
Yes.
Followed us. Well, now we're going to see if we can go across the dam and see what's on the other side before we head to our hotel. What's that down there?
Yeah, it's a gristmill.
Check it out.
Cool.
Lower Clear Creek. So is this part of that museum?
Oh yeah, how neat.
The Caleb Crosby Threshing Barn.
Look at this beautiful land. Look at these. These are wild iris, but we call them flags in the mountains. I was an adult before I realized that they were iris. Oh, they're so beautiful. Look at all that. Uncle Roof.
There's old Uncle Roof.
I want a rocking chair for my classroom. We might need to get some rocking chairs for our porch.
Jess found one of her favorite edibles.
This is purslane. It's so crispy and kind of sweet, like asparagus.
Looks like the water chute used to extend up that way.
Oh yeah, it looks like a path right now.
Yeah. There's another like spillway right here. Check out the old water wheel.
Oh, that's huge.
They have lights on it.
Christmas lights. Look at this trillium. It's a different kind. I forgot what kind it is.
It's pretty.
Try to find out, I guess. These get a little brighter. This just came out. These are columbines.
That's neat.
Looks like a bathtub. You could build a fire under there and make yourself a hot tub.
You could.
Smells musty.
Well, look at this huge cross section of a tree. Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
Declared to be the largest American elm in the United States, probably the world. The tree is estimated to be 400 to 500 years old. The girth was listed at 24 feet and 7 inches.
Oh, so lightning struck it and they had to cut it down.
Wow, that's a great picture.
Yeah, look at this.
This gear system looks really cool. So something like an oxen would be attached to both of these and they'd just go around in a circle. These structures are part of the Lenore Museum, which is just up the hill. We didn't know about it, but we just checked and it says it's open, I think, Wednesday through Sunday, so it's not open today. This is a Tuesday. But we're going to the Appalachian Museum tomorrow and that's going to be really fun.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you can't see much from here.
No.
Yeah, we'll go ahead and drive across there and see if that's an overlook up above. Here's the dam from the upper side. Marina down there. And then that was Norris State Park over that way.
Yeah, there's some old CCC cabins over there that sounded interesting.
Feels nice. Historic cottage.
Oh, cool. It has a swing on the porch.
I guess it's not open right now. So this area is kind of like a campground, or it's part campground that's closed for the season.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, the CCC built all of these cabins, sounds like, back in the 30s.
It's like a little dining area in there. The cottage is closed, but we're enjoying the porch swing.
Mm. It's so cool today. It's about 65 maybe, the high today.
It's a little too early to check into a hotel and stay in a room. So these are all little cabins you can rent, it looks like.
They're so cute. That's a cute little one.
gonna take a little peek in the tea room and see if we can see what it looks like. Huh? Kind of empty.
Yeah.
Oh, I see chairs over in that room. Few men have the satisfaction of knowing they have made a contribution in their lifetime that will last through the ages and touch the lives of millions. That's the truth.
Amen.
All right, we got checked in, heading up to our room on the 3rd floor. 329.
That's it.
All right, got them reloaded. Yay.
Yay.
Oops. I guess let's give you a little tour of our digs.
Our digs.
Well, I'll give you guys a little tour of our room. Got the bathroom.
Yeah, it's
Standard.
definitely a little old.
Might need a little work.
Yeah. That's okay. Everything works, it looks like.
Yeah.
It was very cheap. It was like 60 something a night, I think.
You got your soap, a little shampoo and conditioner. Closet.
It's a good wipe down. I wish I had brought my wipes.
Queen size bed. Bible placed by the Gideons. Abstract art. Another Bible placed by the Gideons. And that's our view. But we like the countryside around here. It's a fun place to drive around. Jess is already doing a little house cleaning. It's a humble abode, but it's cheap and it will serve us for the night.
Yes, it will. We're not complaining.
Coffee. One thing we noticed is that we may have to tilt the fridge back and put something under the feet because it's so hard to get the door open.
Yeah.
Ooh. Okay. We MacGyvered it with a towel. There we go.
Coffee creamer. We're moving in for the night. Homemade bagels and blackberry cream cheese.
I think I said it was a queen size bed earlier. It's actually a king.
Yeah. Feels pretty comfy. Nice and squishy.
All right. Time to get some supper going. Smells pretty good.
Yeah.
You just have to pretend that this is a crackling campfire. All right, thank you, Father, for our food.
Amen. It's not actually gotten too bad.
Yeah, no complaints here. Yeah, got a nice fire going in the background there.
I am missing a campfire.
Well, that was pretty good. We're going to head back down to the river and see if there's any different bird life in the evening light, and then come back here and have our evening coffee.
Oh my goodness, they're so cute.
Are those goats?
Lambs.
Lambs.
Oh, that's
I know. Come on.
goodness.
I don't see that every day. We may have to head back to the hotel soon because all the bathrooms are closed at 5. But it's really pretty out here. There's fish jumping, Canada geese.
The light right now is just beautiful too.
This is Miller Island. Look, a flybrary. That's pretty neat.
It doesn't look too bad. Smells good.
Smells like spaghetti.
It smells like a hospital.
Fresh hotel coffee and the sunset. We'll spend a long day. We'll see you all in the morning. Good morning.
All right, well, thank you. All have fun. Let me know if you need anything.
All right,
Okay.
all right, thank you.
Yeah.
Well, that was really nice of her.
Well, here we are at the Museum of Appalachia in Clinton, Tennessee, and there's a lot to see, so let's get started. We're doing kind of a self-guided tour, and there are all these buildings going around that way.
There's peacocks everywhere this morning.
Hall of Fame. Please visit here first. Big flowers.
Beautiful. How cute. Oh, I would have loved this. Oh, these are dyed with bloodroot and walnut.
Made from native river cane. Cherokee baskets.
Ooh, I like that one.
Indian pipes. Arrowheads.
Ooh, look at these pretty spoons.
Eyeglasses were a rare trade item to the Cherokee.
I'd love to find some of these bottles.
There is so much to see here. We're going to have to use our time wisely, otherwise this video will be 2 hours long. And
Easily.
we'll need another day. We'll try to show the best of the best.
Designed and built in the mid-1800s.
According to local legend, Asa kept his invention hidden in a cave during the Civil War, and he took it apart when it was unattended so that if it were discovered, no one could understand how it worked.
It's supposed to produce its own power and run forever.
They said Asa got the machine running and that it ran for several days and maybe for several weeks without any power.
Children of Appalachia.
Little bike up here.
Yeah. Look at these old dolls.
Oh wow. Marbles.
Shoes.
A toy pistol.
Scary.
7-year-old Olin Marshall was so captivated by the circus that he had to build his own replica of the circus train, and he completed it in 3 years.
Made by a 7-year-old?
Yeah.
Wow.
The dugout canoes from Candler.
Yeah, that's where I grew up, in Candler.
Oh, look at this chair made of horseshoes.
Oh, cool. It works.
Made out of
Oh, look at that. My grandpa used to make banjos.
That's a jawbone fiddle. Is that a toilet seat? Commode seat guitar.
What?
There's a bedpan one.
Oh my goodness.
So creative.
Mountain people, they just use what they have.
And there's one made out of a gourd.
And a cookie tin.
I can go out in the woods with nothing but an old pocket knife and start me a fire. Oh, that's so fun. Look at these beautiful carvings. Granny Faust's blowing horn. In case of emergency, she could alert family members who are miles away. It's a World War I German machine gun.
That is just beautiful. Imagine the stews that you can make in this.
Oh, it's huge.
That is so pretty. You could take a bath in that.
Looks like a little model of a mill.
Yeah, a gristmill.
Kind of like the big one we saw yesterday.
I think this is a bathtub. I guess it could be a sink or a bathtub. It's small. My mom always told me about how I was born having to be pulled out like that.
Oh, is this a dentistry chair?
Yeah.
dental chair.
Look at these boards, the floorboards, how huge they are. Oh my goodness.
That's a comfy fireplace.
Wow.
Is that like a coffee grinder? Little coffee mill?
Oh yeah, probably so. Look at this corner cabinet. Nice and creaky.
There's the... Is that where the term comes from? Sleep tight? You have to...
Right, with the ropes.
Yeah.
This is beautiful.
There's so much stuff to read. I might just have to take a short video of the signs and then you can pause to read it so we don't take too long. Everything is so interesting.
Yeah, you could probably explore for several days.
Jail cells. Look at how close they were. Display barn. Oh, is that a bank vault?
Wow, that's gorgeous.
Historic bank vault door, 2,500 pounds, 12 inches thick. This is called the display barn, and it's just filled with farming equipment, farm tools. We love hand tools and watching people woodwork with them.
This is just beautiful. You could heat your house and cook. Look at this.
One day Jess would love to do some traditional cooking on the old iron stove.
Yes, I would. These are the kind of pots they actually sell nowadays that look kind of the same. You could put coals on top of it to bake bread and stuff.
Mixing machine.
Neat.
And this is the workings of a clock, it looks like.
Wow.
Built in 1892 and rebuilt in 1937.
Very neat.
Oops. And here's the face of the clock on this side. Wow, look at all these keys and padlocks. Oh. What
What is that? Is that a lock?
It looks like a locking mechanism with an old wooden key.
Oh, and that's a key. Wow. Well, it's like the key to the corned beef can.
Oh my goodness, this is amazing.
Wow. Look at that little pot over there. That's super cute.
Oh yeah. Well, I love this old register.
Wow.
And it kind of takes you back in time. There's a bandsaw that's 36.5 feet long. Old jacks and tops. 23-pound frying pan. It's a long rifle. Lawnmower.
Little one. Oh, neat.
Rifling machine for cutting the spiral grooves or rifles inside a barrel. A wine press. Leather worker or cobbler.
Yeah, that's a whole tree.
Carved from a poplar tree. Howdy, partner. He's sticking his tongue out. And this right here is a wooden water pipe boring apparatus. Look how long that is.
Wow.
Nice tinkering desk. Beekeeping. This machine says it's used to grind a lens for a telescope. Plumb bobs. I remember my grandpa made some mole traps for us.
Oh, cute.
Look, he's displaying for you.
I know.
He's showing off.
Yes, you're beautiful.
Mark Twain family cabin.
Look how beautiful. Oh, it has some stairs going up this side.
Mark Twain family cabin moved from Possum Trot in Fentress County.
I I would love to be able to cook over the open fire like that. Have a fireplace in the kitchen.
That old apron.
Oh. I love all these corner cabinets. It's a really good use of space, I think.
This bed had a pull-out bed underneath. Smokehouse. Oh, their fireplace is a little more unique.
Oh,
Different
wow.
shape.
Looks kind of like that Gothic shape. Look at all these preserved stuff. Wonder how old those are.
Some kind of a press.
Like on rainy days, you could just kind of,
Yeah, just
A
feel the
little
cool
spot.
breeze moving through there.
yeah. This is beautiful.
Look at their stove.
Love it. That old bed frame is so pretty.
Kitchen / smokehouse. Doc Randall's Mystery Cure. Good for man or beast. Time to take a break for a little lunch, which we brought with us, but we also bought a dessert from inside the restaurant.
This is Hummingbird Cake. I have no idea what's in it, but it looks good.
Yeah, we'll give it a review. Thank the Lord for our lunch.
Amen.
Someone wants a handout? we've got a couple of beggars here, but we're ready to try this. What's it called? Hummingbird cake?
Hummingbird cake.
It smells kind of like a carrot cake. Getting those crumbs.
I dropped the crumb.
That's really good.
This is $4.95 a slice, so it's a bit steep, but we wanted to try something from the store.
Yeah. Just make sure to enjoy it.
You guys don't get any of this.
We're about halfway through all the buildings, I think. The first buildings had a whole lot of stuff to look at and read. The rest don't have as much.
Like you can't look at everything. There's just too much. This place is amazing. We feel like it's worth every penny. It's a little expensive, but just the things that they have, it's kind of unbelievable.
Yeah. I don't remember if we showed this one. This was one of the first ones, a very small cabin. It says, Tom Cassidy, a musician living alone in this one-room shack. He's saying, what more does a man need?
Could you live in here?
Probably could.
I think so. He also has a little porch, so
Yeah.
that helps. And a nice tin roof.
I also think he might need a good wife, but other than that, it's pretty cozy.
If he had a good wife, he'd probably need a bigger house.
All right, I think we left off in this area. Oh, I see there's 2 pigs inside the shelter there.
Oh yeah. So big. And they have their own little mud hole.
Is that for planting?
Yeah, I think so. Put the seeds in there. Oh, it smells so
I can smell it from here.
that smells so delicious.
Oh, wow. This is nice and rustic.
I'll take the Twain cabin.
Most of the chinking, or a lot of the chinking is gone. But I like their fireplace. It smells really nice. Is that an outhouse? That's kind of a big outhouse. It is. There's stovepipes coming right out the window.
There's a hole under the outhouse.
Holy yikes.
A fire pit.
I can already see it screwed shut.
Oh, maybe you can look inside the hole.
This is a schoolhouse? Oh, nice.
I'm always very interested in the schoolhouse. Oh, that's the girls' outhouse, and I guess maybe that's the boys'.
Interesting. Dictator Valley. All right, let's see what your schoolhouse would have looked like had you been teaching back in the day.
1825. Do your best. Listen.
Your equals you are. People still have trouble with that one these days. This looks like a bucket for drinking.
Little cups. How cute. Coat rack. And there's the paddle. Nice and big and scary sitting there.
There's a schoolhouse photo from 1933.
Oh, look at this. Look at all those kids.
Here's rules of conduct for teachers. Number 1, you will not marry during the term of your contract.
West Virginia Board of Education, 1915.
You may not loiter downtown in ice cream stores.
You may not dress in bright colors. You may not under no circumstances dye your hair.
Well, no wonder she has that look on her face.
You must wear at least 2 petticoats.
Irwin's Chapel Log Church. Please feel free to enter and leave during the singing. Check in here quick. Oh wow.
This is cozy.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
We can't seem to get away from mowers on this trip.
No.
Is this a mailbox?
Yeah.
Oh wow, look at this fireplace. Some overalls.
Yeah. You want some of these?
Here we go. So is this like a 2-family cabin?
Maybe. I have heard also that sometimes they separated the kitchen for the hot summer days so they wouldn't heat up the whole house.
Oh, okay.
So they had like a summer kitchen and a winter kitchen.
Makes sense.
Oh, that's the kind of pan we want.
Oh yeah.
See that?
Cold handle, or what's it called?
I think it's called a cold handle pan, but it's nice and light for camping. It's this beautiful blue. I always like the blue patterns of the old china. My great grandmother had some blue willow, I think was what it was called. Let's see, we have a pan kind of like that. This old honey. They say it's supposed to last for centuries even, if it's uncontaminated.
Underground dairy.
Kind of like a spring house, but
Yeah.
without the spring maybe.
Oh, do they have their own water pump right here?
Oh yeah, that's what that looks like. Oh, cool. I haven't seen one like that before.
Another lawnmower.
Yeah, they should be using that. Much less loud.
Used to scald hogs. Homestead corn crib and the sawmill up here. And I guess that's the gristmill over there.
$17.
You can make a really cute pancake in there.
Be very cute, but that's a little expensive. Ooh, this is nice. Look at that.
Oh, yeah.
Rest your weary bones?
Well, that concludes our tour of the Museum of Appalachia. We hope you guys enjoyed it as much as we have. Now it's time to hit the bathroom one last time before getting on the road and heading back home.
Yes.
Well, we made it back home. Now it's time to rest from our vacation. We hope you guys enjoyed watching. Thank you for watching. Thank you for all your comments, and we'll see you on the next one.
Bye.
Bye. Uh-oh, I'm taking a point away for that cockroach.
Oh, there's upstairs.
Yeah.
They're so loud.